Hey, Lenny, you're looking good. Looks like you're standing out in front of the New York hotel, ready for the Las Vegas rug in December, huh?
Well, hello, Phil. Yeah, I'm enjoying the nice hot weather. It's in the hundreds right now. I'm standing in front of New York, along in front of the Statue of Liberty in the corner of it with all the traffic at the corner of Las Vegas and Tropicana Avenue.
That looks great, man. That looks great. I'm looking forward to a great conference with you, man. So, give me your top three things of what you're gonna talk about at the conference. What are you gonna present that's gonna make people want to go?
Well, the first one, it's a lot of people on their minds is having statistics. Always asking about reporting to be done on statistical counts. I'm going to do a presentation where it shows you where you can get statistics out of BMC ITSM, whether it's Helix or regular Remedy. And then I'm going to propose some ways that you can pull out those statistics and why you want to pull out those statistics and the better use of them. So it's the session of statistics. It's hardly been done at these conferences, so I thought it would be something new to have.
Sounds pretty valuable. What else you got going?
I have one on a developer's day, or basically following what a developer does throughout the day, and that is I work with a client currently. I am their administrator, developer, and their Remedy guru, and I go through the Remedy system on a daily basis to troubleshoot, to see if anything's going wrong. I do a lot of customizations for them, and this is on a Helix environment. So I like to present what I propose that everybody should do, whether you're a developer or an administrator, to run through your AIR system on a regular basis to make sure that it's running smoothly. I've cleared up a lot of errors that show up that BMC says you don't really need to have. But for me, I don't like to see any errors in anything. If I can get them off the table, then I go ahead and do that. So I'll walk you through that functionality.
That's fantastic. That kind of falls in line with what I'm going to be presenting, which is how to future-proof your ITSM environment, because as you mentioned, if you don't do a lot of the maintenance things and you don't keep the application up, a lot of times another vendor can swoop in and say, hey, look, it looks like your application sucks. I can fix that for you in 6 weeks for a whole lot of money. And I'm going to be showing people how to avoid having their job taken and have their application go away. So that's great. So tell me one last thing you've got on the docket before I let you go and hit back to Vegas.
Well, I do have several other presentations, and they're all to me are important. But one of them is the Smart Reporting Lab. It's a two-part session where we do hands-on. You will need to have your own environment to run the exercises. It's going to be an administration portion first, where we'll show you how to generate a new view within your environment that basically helps you to pull in your activity log data details, because it's not in the out-of-the-box view. It'll give you some other means of foundation data that you can use as well. So there's two different views that you can create and how to manage that functionality. And then the second part is more of the builders, the developers of the reports, and how to create the various reports that are using metrics and so forth. So that is kind of a hands-on lab, but you need to have your own environment to do it. But we will provide you with the step-by-step guidelines.
That's fantastic. Listen, I'm going to let you get back to Vegas. Thanks for checking out the hotel for us. I'm looking forward to seeing you in December, Lenny.
All right, thank you. Nice talking to you.
All right, take care. Bye-bye.
Bye.